Do you want to know why defenders look calm when you get the ball? Because they already know what you're going to do. They've seen your move before you even think about it. But today, we flip the table. After this video, defenders won't know whether to step, drop, or pray. This is the blueprint to becoming unguardable. Stop being predictable. Start being a problem. Defenders shouldn't feel comfortable when you get the ball. They should feel fear. You don't need 100 skills. You just need the right ones, at the right time, sold with confidence. Average players play the game. Great players bend it. Pros don't move where the space is. They create the space. They don't react to defenders. They make defenders react to them. That's the difference between playing football and owning football. Stop fitting in on the pitch. Start standing out. The pitch is your canvas. Stop drawing stick figures. Patterns make you predictable. Chaos makes you dangerous. Master the art of deception. Football is war disguised as art, and in war, deception wins battles. Don't just beat a defender. Make them question their instincts. A simple shoulder drop, a glance in the wrong direction, a pause before the burst. These are the details that turn normal moves into deadly ones. Sell the fake like your life depends on it. Make defenders eat your lies. You don't need 20 step-overs. You need one move that looks like 10. The ball moves fast, but the mind moves faster. Scan like a predator. A lion doesn't attack without scanning the field first. Same with football. You're not just playing with your feet. You're playing with your eyes. Scan before, scan after, scan while you move. The player who sees first decides first, and the one who decides first wins. Vision beats speed every single time. The ball doesn't slow down the game. Your eyes do. Play blind, get clamped. Play aware, get free. Disguise everything, look one way, play the other. Jog like you're tired, then explode like a rocket. Make the defender think they know you, then shatter that belief in 1 second. Disguise isn't about tricks, it's about control. Control of your body, control of the game, control of their mind. Your face should lie as much as your feet do. Don't just play the ball, play the defender's brain. By the time they realize the truth, it's already too late. Change rhythm, not just speed. Watch Hazard. Watch Messi. Watch Vinicius. They're not sprinting at defenders the whole game. They walk, they pause, they jog. Then, in the split second you relax, they strike. That rhythm change is deadly, because defenders can match your speed, but they can't match your timing. A pause is more dangerous than a sprint. Sometimes walking creates more fear than running. Slow, kill. That's rhythm. Stop being another face in the crowd. Stop being the easy mark defenders look forward to guarding. Start being the player that keeps them awake at night. Think like a predator. Move like a ghost. Strike like a sniper. That's what makes you unguardable. And if you want more secrets that defenders hate, hit that subscribe, because this is just the warm-up. Don't just play football. Force football to play by your rules. They can mark your body, but they can't mark your brain. Remember, ordinary is forgettable. Unguardable is legendary.